love my mother, I love my mother.
Hi, I'm Abby Asistio. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm the sister of Ina.
So tell us the story behind the theme song of BTS
without you.
I was really excited na magkakaroon na ng sariling show si Ina, that she gets to talk with all these interesting and amazing people. And sabi nga niya, ang magiging highlight ng show is mothers. So basically, she asked if we could have a song that really celebrates who a mother is, kung paano sila nakaka-empower, at kung ano yung papel nila sa buhay, mga loved ones nila sa paligid nila. So we entitled the song, Every Day is Mother's Day Here, because yun din talaga yung sentro ng show. We wanna celebrate the journeys of every guest and every mother that's gonna be featured here. So in terms of the very feel good, pero at the same time may puso, kasi yung mga moms are always there for their kids, and no matter what happens, even through the pain, the struggles, minsan kahit wala na, ipapakita nila sa mga anak nila yung sacrifices, unconditional love. We wanted to include that in the song. And maging magandang chant lang din siya, and something that people could refer to when it comes to honoring and being grateful for their moms. So basically, lahat din naman tayo anak. So inisip ko lang din, if there's one thing na I truly value about my mother, ano ba yung mga bagay na yon? And it's really her mind, her beauty, her strength, her courage, and how she's always there for her kids. And I know that it's not just for my personal journey, pero pinagdadaanan yun ng lahat ng mga anak at lahat ng mga nanay when it comes to their relationship. And ang ganda lang din nung tagline ng show at saka yung message ng show na Everyday Mother's Day dito. Hindi lang siya yung isang beses sa isang taon kailangan natin i-celebrate sila at i-honor sila. Everyday is Mother's Day, not just for the show, but in our hearts. Kaya everyday is Mother's Day here.
Share your message sa mama kakarinig ng song.
Yung hook kasi ng song, I love my mother, I'm glad she's my mother, I'm grateful she's my mother. And minsan, kulang natin masabi yun eh. Hindi natin masyado na ipapakita. Nahihiya pa tayo mag-I love you sa moms natin. Or yakapin sila, or mag-text man lang. It doesn't matter if you're a child or you're a grown-up woman like me. Let's not be shy when it comes to showing and expressing our emotions and gratitude towards our mother. So sa mga makakarinig ng kantang to, I hope maging song nyo rin siya para sa mga nanay ninyo, or if meron na rin kayong mga anak, song nyo rin for them.
Every day is Mother's Day here.